Morning guys, we've came to Edinburgh to do the 3 bridges and boat tour today.
I'm very excited, it's very cold. I'm hoping it stays dry.
It's chilly, you can see I've got my hat on, my snood. Natalie's got a horse, well she's not got a snood, she's got a scarf on.
Stylish.
I know. So the boat is going to be freezing, I've never done it before. But Natalie's done it and said it was really good.
I really enjoyed it. I'm hoping we see some puffins and some seals.
Aye, hopefully some seals.
But we're on this bus for like an hour going down to Queen's.
We'll show you some of the what do you call it, the scenery on the way down and all that stuff, and hopefully on the boat it doesn't rain because it's supposed to rain today, but I'm hoping it doesn't. Right,
excited.
Let's go. Just wanted to show you the wee map and give you some information on the tour of what we're doing today.
We are here.
Right, where are we going to?
Through here, all the way down to Queen's Ferry, where we got on a boat and then we go under the 3 bridges.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Here's some of the times for it.
So we're on this 10:05 one. I think we're just kicking off now.
And also to let you know, how much was it today, Natalie?
It was £25, that's for your bus and your boat. You can get on the island, I think it's an extra £6, but we're not doing that today.
And how long does that get you for?
24 hours? 24 hours.
That's quite good actually, it's a good deal.
Let's go.
So that's us just got off the bus, just about to get on the boat. Well, we've got about 15 minutes, so we thought we'd just come and have a wee look around, check the bridge in the background here. The other bridges over there as well. This is where we're going to get on the boat just here. Hope we're not going on a wee tiny thing like that, I don't hope. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Perfect weather for it.
I know, we'll just find out soon if I get seasick.
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous about that.
So just after coming off the bus, you want to come down in between the 2 buildings here, just where the red bin is, the guy told us. And then it looks like, oh, I thought it was a wee Christmas shop, but it's not, it's just a wee shop here. Wow, how cool are these wee guys. And then there's just a wee lifeboat shop here as well. You can come and support them. They're looking for some donations and stuff, it's pretty cool. And then just down here's where we're going to be getting the boat. Ooh. That looks cool, doesn't it? The water's not really filling me with confidence because I do get a wee bit seasick on boats. Hopefully I'm okay today, but that water's looking quite choppy. This is where we're going to be heading. It's pretty cool, isn't it? What bridge do you think looks best? One on the right? Does, doesn't it? How cool does that look? Compared to the new ones, I mean the new ones are okay, I've been on them, but this one here is a lot better. Looks so cool. A wee boat here bobbing up and down. I hope our boat doesn't do that. It's cool, eh? Oh, look at that, it doesn't look good. So that's us just on the boat there, and we're going to find out pretty quickly if I get seasick. I mean,
too late now.
Aye, too late now, can't turn back. Look, we're just moving. It's pretty cool. So the guy says that we're going to go underneath the bridge here and we're going to see the castle. Alright, Natalie?
So on the hill on this side.
On the hill on this side we should hopefully see the castle. Then we're going to come back underneath the bridge and go to the other side. It's actually not too cold today. Actually alright.
Famous last
Aye, famous last words, as long as it stays dry. So the guy was just telling us that this port here, with all those wheels you can see, it's actually got wires on it. It goes onto boats, and that's actually your fibre optics for your broadband and all that. And also this big crane here in the distance is a new addition, and it cost them £1 million. It loads sand and all that onto the boats. It's pretty cool looking. So I didn't know that that's where your fibre optic cable comes from there.
Let's go.
How cool is this wee guy? It's class, isn't it? Now we get, look, check these dinosaur heads. I like that. How cool would that be in the living room, eh?
How you doing, guys?
So we keep telling everybody about our hotel room, the Premier Inn hub. So we thought we'd just show you what it's like. Oh, look at that when you come in, all the lights come on. All this, everything in here is all digital, and it's all controlled by your TV or your smartphone. How cool is that?
Hey Natalie.
There we go. We're in. And just to so here's all the controls here for everything in the room, which is pretty cool.
Download an app as well.
And you can get an app so you can do it your phone. Hello, that's me. The bathroom is pretty cool. Like that. So just the room's actually, it's quite small to be honest, if you want to say that right, but you can hang your coats up here. That's your wee wardrobe. You put all your stuff underneath the bed. You've got storage here. How cool is this at the end of the bed? Quite like this bit. Pull that out, gives you a cracking wee table. And there's the bed there, but to be honest, it might look small, but this is all you really need, isn't it? It's brilliant.
It's got lots of USB chargers and stuff over there so you can plug your laptop and stuff in.
And that goes straight to the TV, which is brilliant.